welcome to Maison Modern. My name is Leonie and Maison Modern is Cameroon's fastest growing furniture manufacturing company. Now today we have here a beautiful shop stand. This beautiful baby is going to Blessing Petroleum. Now this is one of Cameroon's fastest growing petroleum companies. They have selected us, Maison Modern, to manufacture all the furniture for their offices and all the filling stations. Now this baby right here is going to one of their filling stations in Yaoundé tomorrow, and you will see that we have done this applying the best possible finishing. You will see there's no screws around, no visible cracks, nothing whatsoever that makes this thing bad quality or badly finished. This has been done with high density, high resistance for mica, and we have given this very good treatment, meaning no wiggle whatsoever is going to go there. Guess what? When a Cameroonian company chooses to work with a Cameroonian company, we get to conserve money in our country. Now, things like this needs to happen often, meaning Cameroonian companies need to partner with each other in order to make things work. In that way, our economy is going to grow up. We are a Cameroonian manufacturing company, and we make all types of furniture, from kitchen fittings, office furniture. We're talking about hospital furniture, whatever you want done, like hotels, guest houses, beds, anything furniture, we can do it for you with superb finishing in record time. So guys, if you want us to do the job for you in Cameroon, all you're going to do is contact us on a number at the end of this video, and we will make it happen for you. My name is Leonie, a Cameroonian manufacturer. Peace and ciao.